Namaste everyone and welcome back to the Fundamental of Microbiology series. I am Dr. Kalpna Rakholiya. In this episode, we learned Applied Area of Microbiology. In previous episode, we understood what microbiology and why it is important. Today, we will explore where microbiology is actually applied in medicine, in environment, in food, and so on. So let's start about the medical microbiology, most important topic is may deal with the microorganism that cause the various kind of disease into the human. It help in diagnosis of infectious disease, identification of pathogen, and prevent and control of various kind of disease like TB, tuberculosis, cholera, and COVID-19. Right? Uh, uh, this is the agricultural microbiology that study microorganism that improve crop productivity and soil health. It's a role in nitrogen fixation, biofertilizer, biopesticide, plant disease management, and decomposition of various organic material. So these are the list of microorganisms which are involved in agriculture for beneficial purpose. Now let's move to the aquatic microbiology. It deals with a microorganism that is present into the water body like a river, lake, ocean, ground water, and so on. In this area, check application is the water quality analysis, biological waste management, study of aquatic ecology, food chain, detection of waterborne pathogens, and so on. Let's talk about the aeromicrobiology, study airborne microorganism and their effect. We all know this microorganism, various kind of microorganism present into the air like bacteria, fungi, virus, actinomycetes, and so on. So when we are inhale, this bio in the form of bioaerosol, this microorganism transmit into the our airborne our respiratory system, and it cause the various kind of disease. It's also used in study indoor air quality as well as important for designing isolation ward and air filtration system. This is the food microbiology. We know that these microorganisms are involved in production of important some product. These are the beneficial product, yogurt, bread. These are the list of microorganisms, and this will produce a beneficial product. And you can see that here another side, this microorganism also involved in food spoilage and food poison. It causes poisoning. So this applied area is on the food microbiology. Now let's talk about the industrial microbiology. It utilizes the microorganism to produce valuable commercial product on the large scale. For example, you can see here we can use by antibiotic various kind of product like antibiotic, vaccine, organic acid, biofuel, and these are the list of organisms which are produce the different important product, right? So this is the geomicrobiology. It study the interaction between microorganisms and the earth geological process. So these are the major microorganisms which role in nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle, a phosphorus cycle, and sulfur cycle. It's also involved in recover of the different kind of the metal by using the microorganism. So these are the exomicrobiology, is study of microbial life into the outer space. We all know that when NASA study extremophiles, that microbes whether are survive in extreme environment or not. So this is the new era or new research. You can study like exomicrobiology, and this is a pharmaceutical microbiology. Pharmaceutical microbiology is closely related to industrial microbiology. It produces the drug medicine. It's also involved in sterility testing pharmaceutical product, then ensuring medicine are free from microbial contamination, and production of very important probiotics and therapeutic proteins. So we can say that this microorganism can produce different kind of medicine and can save our lives. So this is the marine microbiology. It is special branch dealing with the microorganism that are present into the various area of the marine surface water, deep sea, deep sea region, hydrothermal vent, coral reef, and polar region. So these all are region of the marine environment, and we can see that a different region have a different kind of environment. So according to that, there is this microorganism can survive, and this microorganism we can use as our beneficial purpose to produce bioactive compound, right? So these are the about the marine microbiology. This is the dairy microbiology, deal with the different microorganisms which are involved in production of milk and their milk product, as well as it also use detection of milk-borne pathogen which are present into the food, like Listeria monocytogen, Mycobacterium bovis. They can transmit our human and cause various kind of illness. In forensic microbiology, you can see here it is emerging and exciting new branch, and it is microbial evidence in crime scene investigation and legal procedure. So you can see that by the using of microbes we can identify time of the death, tracing bioterrorism agent like bacillus anthracis, microbial DNA profiling for using DNA sequencing, crime scene people or object, detection of food adulteration and poisoning case like salmonella species, species, right? So this is the public health microbiology. It is totally focused on controlling microorganism disease at population level, and it work at community and national level. So you can see here, in this area, monitor and control epidemic and pandemic outbreak, ensure whether public are drinking water is safe, and maintain sanitization or not, design vaccination program for public, conduct epidemiological survey. For example, during coronavirus, they trace the different spread of coronavirus in specific region, which variant are spread in specific geographical area, and give the detailed guideline as per the government policy. So this for field work closely with the WHO, ICMR, and national health authorities. So not just this kind of applied area, it's also involved in microbial biotechnology and genetic engineering, and we know it will give the very important product that is insulin, as well as a hormone interferon by the biotechnology, as well as development of transgenic organism like genetically modified organism plant, and genetically transgenic animal. And this is a new emerging area subject, that is CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing. The research is going on. By that, we can say that as per research, they said that if we can cut the gene which are responsible for disease, and edit non disease generating gene, so that we can cut and paste and remove the disease causing gene, right? So this image shows the vaccinology. Vaccinology is the science of vaccine development and immunization, and we can see that these are the microbes are directly used to produce vaccine. These are the various kind of vaccine types of vaccine, and here you can see that it will give the for specific type of disease against, and it prevent the different kind of disease, and stimulate our immune system, and build our immunity. So this is the shortcut about the applied area of microbiology. You can take the screenshot and easily remember. This is the MCQ. You have to solve this MCQ and give me the answer into the comment box. Thank you very much for your watching.